Hey everyone, Eddie Campos here with Remax Preferred Associates, and this is Home Maintenance 101, where I'm trying to bring you some information to be able to help you take care of your home so that your home takes care of you. So today what I'd like to talk about is something that you don't need to necessarily go out and get your hands dirty and get some tools together, but something I highly recommend that you do if you have a wood-burning fireplace, and that's to hire a professional chimney sweep to come out and do an inspection on your chimney and your firebox. So the reason this is so important is several years ago, I had a sale where the home inspector, they can only see so much inside a chimney. And, it's a two-story home. The chimney is 2 stories tall. There's only so much they can see inside. They can see the firebox itself. That's where the fire is being built and where it's stoked. But he noticed some things that led him to believe there could be a potential problem. So he suggested that we reach out to a professional chimney sweep and have him do a secondary inspection, another layer of an inspection. And the reason he did that is they can provide a camera inspection where they send a camera up through the flue all the way to the top to see what kind of condition the flue itself is in. So the reason this is important is if the flue itself has any kind of cracks in it, it's going to allow heat to permeate into your home and potentially cause a fire. Same thing goes for the firebox itself. If there are pieces of mortar that are in bad condition or broken away, something as small as the end of a butter knife of a crack in that box can allow the heat to permeate right through your home and potentially start a fire. So what I recommend is hire a professional chimney sweep to come out and inspect your chimney and your firebox. So they're going to look for things such as whether there's a screen over the top of the flue on the outside to keep pests away, whether the crown itself, that's the very top of the chimney, whether that's in good condition or not, or if it's cracked, is that allowing pest, bugs, water to get inside your chimney and potentially cause a problem. They're going to examine the outside of the chimney itself to make sure that the bricks are in good shape and none of the bricks are breaking away, and to make sure that the mortar itself is in good shape as well. Again, a very large part of what can cause any kind of leak in your roof in your home and cause problems in your attic and in your ceilings. And then finally, they're going to be examining the flashing itself around the base of the chimney to make sure that it's in good shape and you're not letting any water enter the home. Water intrusion, moisture issues, potential fire. This is a pretty big deal. So if you've got a wood burning fireplace, I highly recommend that you reach out to a professional chimney sweep, ask him if he can have a camera inspection of your fireplace and make sure that you don't have any potential problems. You will be very thankful that you did. I hope this was helpful for you. And if you need any more information, please give me a call. I can refer a chimney sweep to you. And as always, reach out to a home inspector and see if they can take a look at your home and give you some guidance as to what you may need to do. If you have any questions, you can reach me at 419-367-2667. I hope you guys have a great weekend.